Hey friends, how to add faces in Google Photos manually. For this, go to the Sharing in bottom menu and in the Sharing, create shared album. Add the title of your album, for example, My Face, and select People and Pets. Then select My Face and click Confirm. Our photos are loading. If you can't choose faces, then close your album, click into your account, then Photos Settings, and in Photos Settings, select Group Similar Faces, and then enable this function, Face Grouping. And after you create your shared album with select people, you can add photos in this album manually. Click Add Photos and choose Photos with your face manually. After you select photos, tap Add in top right corner and one item added. After that, go to the library. We have our new album My Face. We have new photos which edit automatically and one photo which we add manually. If you have questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.